We are going to analyze the intake manifold in an inboard gasoline engine. In this particular example, we have a multi-pore intake manifold. This is the manifold, this is the common rail, those are the injectors, this is the pressure regulator, this is the feeding to check the pressure of the common rail. Normally you connect the gauge for pressure gauge over there in order to verify the pressure of the common rail. Okay, this is the intake manifold of a typical inboard gasoline engine. The common rail, the injectors, the pressure regulator, this is the feeding where you connect the gauge. Those are the pores communicated with the head. Pressure regulator, and this is the filter. Those are the pores, and the filter normally is located over there in that position.